Welcome to 12th Standard Computer Science Practicals Python Programs. Program 1. Calculate factorial. Let us start writing the codings. Go to the Start menu. Click the Idle Python app. IDLE means Integrated Development Learning Environment. Now we are going to use script mode. So click File and select New option. If you want to change the font size, you can go to the Option menu and click Configure Idle App. Type the codings in the script mode. Go to the File tab and click Save option. Now let's run the program. Click Run Module. It gives enter a number, type any number you want. Let's try the number 12. Factorial means the product of all positive integers. For example, if we take the integer value 4, 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 24. Thank you for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.